So this right here is the DIY PC Illusion 1 BL. It's ATX case with 4 blue LED fans, 3 in the front, and 2 or 1 in the back. God, I can't think today. Okay. Whew. This is gonna be a pain. First layer of packing foam. Let's throw that. And let's flip it over. Let's get this baby out. I'd say that was a success and a half. So right here's the back. So I'm gonna orientate it like that. Take the foam off. And show you guys what you are getting for $50. It's wrapped pretty well, especially for some that is 50% off, even though it's always been $50 and never $100. Here we go. Oh, please be on the protective film. Oh, thank God. There's a cut right here on the film, but that's okay because you just take that off anyways. Case wires are shoved in the back. Let's open this baby up. I need to grab my Phillips head. Those aren't thumb screws. I just stepped on it. That's great. Okay, so boom, 1. It's a bit smaller than my case. It's a mid-tower one. Mine's a full tower in the background. So this is gonna look a little bit weird. Working in a little bit of a smaller case. I like it so far. This looks pretty good for $50. Okay, let's see what's inside. So here's stuff rattling around. These look like some very cheap blue LED fans. However, they do have 33 LEDs. But what looks cheap about them, other than the clear blades and gray plastic shrouds, is along with a 3-pin fan header. It also has a Molex, which my grandpa's computer from the late 90s has. Toolless brackets, optimized airflow, USB 3.0. Alright, so it's got some modern stuff. That's pretty good. I expected that at least. It's got screws on the front to look at the fans, but I'm not going to. Sweet, okay. come with any case screws? So they've got to be in here. Alright, let's crack the back open so I can get a good look at this. Just need to loosen it a little bit. And just pull you right off. Alright, that got a little bit stuck, but that's okay. I'm gonna set that right there. I'm getting a look in the back. Got some room for cable management and all that. Everything's already pre-tied, which is nice. On one of the toolless drive bays, motherboard screws and extra headers are mounted. It's actually pretty cool. I've never seen something like that before, where it's just mounted like somewhere inside the case. It's always just had like its own separate box. Oh cool, it's even got some extra motherboard standoffs. Yeah, it's a nice touch. I think it'll be fun to work in this case. So that was my short review of the DIY PC Illusion BL Blue Edition. And yeah, I don't have much to say. I'm pretty tired actually. I've got to work on the flip build over here, which is just putting everything in here. Got a new power supply. I don't think I'm gonna review. It's just a 450 watt. But yeah, next episode will be a time lapse. This is right before I do the time lapse, but the parts in this build is the FX 6300, which I shouldn't be throwing. Gigabyte AM3 Plus motherboard, Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo, R7 370, and a 1 terabyte Hitachi drive. And along with that, 8 gigabytes of 1600 megahertz blue Corsair Vengeance RAM, and the Roseville Arc 450 power supply, along with the beautiful DIY PC Illusion case. Excuse the desk, I've had no time to clean recently, but I figured I would do the first boot on camera. Ooh, oh that's nice. And it posts. Hell yeah.